Happy Sunday morning, you two. I'm out here working on my Jeep like I am more frequently than I'd like, honestly. And what I'm doing right now is I'm changing the radiator hoses. Wanted to share with you a quick tip on how to deal with these hose clamps. It seems like whenever you take these pliers and get a good grip on these and get them clamped down so that you can pull them off, you start to try to wiggle them around, this thing come loose, it pops all over the place, and you're frustrated really quickly. Quick tip here, take a zip tie, kind of loop it around the end and secure it like that. Then take your pliers, go ahead and crimp this down, and then pull that zip tie tight. If you grab the zip tie with the pliers, reposition the pliers so that you're actually able to zip this around. But see, so then what happens is it stays clamped, and right now it's still stuck, so get it unstuck. And then you'll be able to move your clamp around without having to worry about the pliers popping off of it and all that. So a quick tip there, and then you'll be able to slide this off, slide it on a new hose, put it back on. You're in business. So just wanted to share that tip with you guys real quick. Thank you very much for watching, YouTube. Make sure you check out the rest of my channel as well. All right, everybody, that does it for today's video. First and foremost, I want to say thank you very much for watching today. I really appreciate the views. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button, and make sure to check out the rest of my channel. I do have a lot of other videos on how to do a lot of other things, so please check it out. If you think the products featured in today's video would work for your project, make sure you check them out right here, upper right-hand corner. Got my subscribe button down here on the right on the bottom. Check that out. Over here on the left, I have some video suggestions for you. Make sure you check that out as well. And as always, thank you very much for watching, YouTube.